How to add a YouTube link on the Facebook page. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube link to the Facebook page. First, go to the YouTube app on your phone. Here, reach the profile icon and tap on your YouTube account name. Now, tap on the pen icon and copy the channel URL. Next, open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Then, go to your page by tapping on the three lines shown at the top. After that, tap on My Page and hit the See More button. Now, tap on the app's social link and choose YouTube. Then, paste the copied URL into the provided box. In the end, you have to hit the Save button. The YouTube link will be visible on your Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.